Please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Just turn off the notifications. Thank you very much. Okay. So every a couple years, I do an installation of Windows 7 to keep my computer running nice and so and every time this happens, I cannot update, uh, you know I cannot download any updates at all. So uh, but I got the solution. Okay, because if you don't download the updates, Google and Internet Explorer and any other browser will not work on Windows 7. Okay, because it just needs those updates. Okay, so if this happens to you, well, here, let me show you what it happens. Okay, this is what happens. Okay, so and it happens every time that I install a fresh Windows 7. It happens all the time. So I got the update. I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna show you which one not to download. Sorry about that. I'm gonna show you which one to download, and don't waste your time downloading other videos. Okay, so uh, check this out. Okay, this is the updates you don't wanna look for. Okay, see, these are two updates. One you can install, the other one would not allow you because it's not for this computer. Okay, so I tried this and it didn't work. let me let me show you. Okay, see, see that it doesn't work. So well, here is the update. Okay, I'm gonna leave you a link below. uh, is right here so you can see it. This window is going to close. Let me wait until it closes. Okay, there. All you have to do is just search for this update, uh, or just wait for wait. I'm gonna put the link below, and you can just download it, install it, restart your computer, and you're gonna have like 200 updates waiting for you. Okay, it's gonna take you a long time, so good luck. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.